agad. Kasi I just want to say thank you and I am happy kasi even though we were separated for several years, you still considered me as your tita. Sad lang sa part na malalaki na kayo. And super dami ng challenges and struggles ang hinarap nyo wala man lang kami sa tabi nyo para samahan kayo. Hindi man kami naging part ng paglaki nyo, especially your papa. I hope you guys know na mahal namin kayo. Always remember na as your Tita Julia, I am here for you no matter what.
Okay. Hazel, Jaylen, Liliana.
Happy birthday, Te. Today, we mark a special occasion for you. As you celebrate your 18th birthday, this milestone signifies a new chapter of opportunities and growth. May you utilize your talent and determination to achieve your dreams. As your favorite sister, I'm always here to support you in all your kaartihan kahit ang tapang mo sa akin. Wish you a success in all your pursuits and aspirations. Focus on your study. Don't pressure yourself too much. Huwag ka nang gumaya sa akin na naiyakan online ng A. Ang mahalaga, magawa mo yung dreams mo at makapagtapos ka. Crush yourself. Sabi nga nila, diba, it's not about how people will make you proud, but it's about how you make them proud. Everyone thinks that I'm your kaaway dito, but gods know that. As we've grown older, our bond has only strengthened. We navigate life's ups and downs together. We celebrate each other. May God bless you all the times as you blow out the candles. Remember that every year brings new opportunities, challenge, and experiences. May this birthday mark the beginning of an incredible journey filled with growth, success, and happiness. Believe in yourself and your dreams. I know na kaya mo lahat to. I-enjoy mo lang tong araw na to. You're 11, 18. Huwag mong isipin ang mga taong nanguhusga sa'yo. Sa pagkatao mo, iisa ang mahalaga na wala kang tinatapakan ng tao. Kadalasan, ang tingin lagi kitang naaway. Pero alam na alam ni God kung paano ko umiyak, magdasal na bakit may ganyan tao. Bakit may tao kaya kang bulihin? Thank you kasi ginagawa mo lahat ng best mo to be the best ate in the world. I hope na maging memorable to sa buhay mo. Ingatan mo lagi ang sarili mo. You're already an adult. Alam mo na ang tama at mali. Gusto mo i-Venn diagram ko ba? Ang difference ng tama sa mali. Just do your best and God will do the rest. Before this message ends, I just want to thank God for giving you another year. Thank you kasi bibigyan mo ako ng 1K. Happiest birthday, ate.
Okay. Happy yung 18 candles. Bantay kayo. Siyam sa kabila, siyam sa kaliwa, siyam sa kanan. Punta doon yung iba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kulang ba doon? Pwede to, kayong dalawa doon. Okay, compress. Lahat na ba? May kasing-kasing pa kayo dito. Okay. Okay. Okay, sabay-sabaw nyo yung